Good morning, students. In last class, we saw the life and experience of Shrikant, the famous former cricket captain of Indian team. In this class, we are going to study about the Sachin Tendulkar, who was a favorite cricketer of the people in the world. He has written this summary about his childhood experience, how he learned the game. That's what we got the heading Learning the Game. In this lesson, he explained his early age experience with cricket. When he was very young, he used to play cricket with a tennis ball with his colony friends. And also, he loved to watch cricket on television and used to play in the colony by imitating his favorite player Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richard. But it was not just the batsman that he studied. He also studied how to bowl. He loved bowling. And later he took his favorite as his career. He studied in New English School, Mumbai, and his brother name is Ajit. Ajit compared many of the school in Mumbai, and finally he got the thing that Shardashram Vidya Mandir is the best one for his brother to practice cricket, because Ramkant Achekar sir is the best coach for the cricket and he worked in that school. So he took his brother to the school because anyone can play a trial game in that school. There is no restriction. So Ajit took Sachin to the school where they met Achekar sir and they started to play there in the ground. Actually, Achekar sir started playing in his age 11 in 1943, which is the age the Sachin also joined his team in the school. This was a comparison between the coach and the Sachin Tendulkar. Actually, in his first trial, Sachin was crowded with so much people and his coach Achekar sir was watching him closely. So, he failed to do his work. He could not bat his ball properly and he started to struggle. And he also thought that he will not be taken to the team. He will be taken out of the team. Ajit was very confident on his brother. But Achekar sir called Ajit and told him that he need little more practice and he must be somewhat aged to play the game because he was only 11-year old. The coach felt that he was too young to play the game on the ground. But Ajit was more confident on his brother. As per the instruction of Ajit, the coach went and sat at distance and so the brother could play well. This time, Sachin was very delighted and he started to play and he kept his opportunity that transformed his life. Later on, he started to practice his match regularly. The camp session in the Shivaji Park was between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then he will go home after the lunch. Again he will come back evening and he will practice in the ground. Even though the schedule was hard one, he used to play every day in the park. And sometimes he was exhausted by the end of the day because he wanted to travel to the Shivaji Park for 40 minutes from his house, Bandra. And he had to catch an early morning bus to make his time in the Shivaji Park. For the first few days, Ajit, his brother, accompanied him to the park. While they were traveling to the park, Ajit used to give him some tips about the batting that was very helpful for him while he was playing on the ground. As a child, he had only one set of cricket clothes and routine he wanted to wash that so that he can use it in the morning session. After the lunch, he will be washing it and it will be dried out. And evening, while he was again moving to the training, he will wear the same cloth. Sometimes the cloth will be wet, especially near the pockets. So he used to wear the wet pants again for the training. He will be wearing the same wet pockets throughout his camp. At the end of the 2 months, the coach, he gained that he got the full potential to become a good cricketer. And he instructed Sachin to change the school because the new English school in Bandra have no facilities for cricket. So he instructed him to change the school so that he can continuously learn cricket. One evening, Sir called his father and kept his suggestion. While Sachin was alone in his room, his brother Ajit and his father sat beside him and they told that to change the school. And they are ready to put him in Shadrashram Vidya Mandir where the Acheka sir was the cricket coach. Finally, he was admitted in the school. After he was admitted in the school, he played regularly and he became a best one in the game. And he used to have the summer session which start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. the full day session. After the evening session, the coach will give him 30 minutes break. In that break, he used to give some money to Sachin to get vada pav, which is the famous Mumbai fast food. Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., he have 5 more net session. So at that time, the coach placed 1 rupee coin on his stem so that he want to bat the ball without letting the coin down. This time, many of the boys, nearly 60 to 70 boys, they will come forward to bowl for Sachin. The Sachin have to bat the ball which was dropped by these boys without dropping the coin from the stem. And finally, the end of the training, he has to go for 2 full rounds around the Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves. This gave him a good stamina for the fielding. Children, today we study how Sachin trained hardly in his young age to become a best cricketer. So, in the next class, we can see how he got the success. Thank you, children.